Hello students, good morning. This is video number 5 of class 10 chapter trigonometry. Today I will solve question number 3, and in question number 3 it is given if sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. I repeat the question. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Now, in my previous video, if you can remember, I have given you one shortcut. Pandit Bhadri Prasad Hari Hari Bole. Pandit Bhadri Prasad Hari Hari Bole. P by H stands for sin theta, B by H stands for cos theta, and P by B stands for tan theta, H by P for cosec theta, H by B for sec theta, and B by P for cot theta. One more hint was given to you to identify these thetas. Some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. You can use any of these two, whichever you feel more convenient. Now, see, it is given in the question sine A. Now see, sine A. So here in this triangle, if I draw a right angle triangle, angle A will be the theta, and the formula of sine is P by H. Now see, if I take this angle as theta, the formula of sine is P by H. Which side will be perpendicular? This side will be, CB will be perpendicular and AB will be base, and this will be the hypotenuse. Always remember that the side opposite to angle theta is always the height or the perpendicular. So this will be perpendicular and this will be base and this will be hypotenuse. See, it is given to us sine A is equal to 3 by 4. Sine A is equal to 3 by 4. The formula of sine is P by H. Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse, it is given 3 by 4. Remember, this is not the value of P by H. The value of P by H is not 3 by 4. It is a ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So you cannot take 3 and 4. In perpendicular you cannot just take 3, and in hypotenuse you cannot just take 4. You have to take 3k or 3x, 4k, 4x, as such. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is 3 by 4. So perpendicular, let us assume 3k, and hypotenuse, let us assume 4k. We got two sides by now. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, we will find the third side. So we have assumed BC as 3k and AC as 4k. Now we have applied here Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is AC square, altitude is BC square, and hypotenuse is AC. So AC square I have written, altitude is BC, so I have written BC square, and base is AB, so I have written AB square. Now I have substituted the value. The value of AC is 4k. The value of AC is 4k. The value of AC is 4k. So I have written 4k whole square. The value of BC is 3k. So I have substituted the value of BC as 3k, and I have written whole square plus AB square. I have to find the AB. Now 4 square is 16k square, 4k whole square is 16k square, 3k whole square is 9k square plus ab square, as such I have written. 16k square I have written as it is. I have transposed this 9k square to this side. The positive 9k has become negative 9k square is equal to ab square. 16 minus 9 is 7k square is equal to ab square. Square transposed to this side becomes root 7k square. Here ab remains as it is because I have transposed square to this side, so it has become root, and here only ab will remain. Now see, root 7k square, square and root will be cancelled, so k will come out of the root, and inside the root 7 will remain as such. So the value of AB will be root 7k. So we have got the value of AB as root 7k. Now I am asked in the question to find cos A and tan A. So I will find cos A and tan A now. So therefore cos A will be base by hypotenuse. We know the formula. See here, cos is base by hypotenuse. So I have written base by hypotenuse. So what is base and what is hypotenuse that I have got? See here, base is root 7k and hypotenuse is 4k. So I will write root 7k and 4k. K will get cancelled. So the answer will be root 7 by 4. Then I will find tan A. What is the formula of tan A? The formula of tan A is P by B. So I will write P by B. Perpendicular by base. See in the figure, perpendicular I got 3k and base root 7k. Perpendicular 3k, base root 7k. K will get cancelled. So the value of tan A will be 3 by root 7. So this is question number 3. In my next video I will explain you question number 4. Thank you.